Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Crypto liquidations hit $1 billion as traders were unprepared for bad news. Next, SEC simultaneously approves Hashdex, Franklin's Bitcoin Ether ETFs. Also, crypto chatter about buying the dip hits 8-month high, says Santiment. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, crypto liquidations hit $1 billion as traders were unprepared for bad news. A crypto analyst said we are yet to see the Santa rally the market has been hoping for after $1 billion was liquidated in the crypto markets in just 24 hours. More than $1 billion was liquidated in the crypto market over the past 24 hours as participants were caught off guard by the strong momentum of crypto over the past 30 days. Still, one analyst suggested the market downturn may be short-lived. We've had such a bullish narrative over the last month that the market was completely unprepared for bad news. Now we're seeing indiscriminate selling, SwiftX lead analyst Pav Hundal told Cointelegraph. Short-term angst, says analyst. It's not the start of the Christmas run-in we'd hoped for, but it looks like short-term angst, Hundal said. On December 19th, about $1.02 billion was liquidated from the crypto market within 24 hours, of which around $856.7 million was long positions, according to CoinGlass data. Over the same period, Bitcoin fell 3.36% below the $100,000 psychological level. At the time of publication, Bitcoin was trading at $97,350, according to data from CoinMarketCap. This wasn't the first time this month that Bitcoin's drop below $100,000 has wiped out a significant amount of long positions. On December 5th, Cointelegraph reported that a sudden 5.47% dip in Bitcoin's price below $93,000 wiped out $300 million within minutes. More recently, on December 10th, a sudden crypto market drawdown wiped out more than $1.7 billion in leveraged positions over a 24-hour period. CoinGlass said it was the biggest long liquidation of this cycle so far. Commenting on the recent liquidations, Bitcoin maximalist Fred Krueger said in a December 19th X post the only way to screw up trading Bitcoin was through leverage. Hundal remained optimistic the Santa rally that the market has been expecting is still in the cards. Real Vision chief crypto analyst Jamie Coots said in a December 20th X post that a buying opportunity may be incoming. Crypto analyst Caleb Franson described the volatility as typical behavior during a bull run without cause for concern. Franson said in a December 19th X post that there were 9 Bitcoin pullbacks during the previous bull run over 16 months, all of which were followed by higher highs. Buckle up, Buttercup, he added. Market to price in Trump expectations. Hundal said he expects the crypto market to price in its expectations for the Trump administration from here on out. Donald Trump's inauguration as the 47th President of the United States is set for January 20th, 2025. Crypto market spectators eagerly await his plans for a U.S. Bitcoin strategic reserve. One side of the market is going to be on the wrong side of that bet, so I'd expect to see some volatility when the new administration comes in and the direction becomes a little clearer, Hundal added. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, SEC simultaneously approves Hashdex, Franklin's Bitcoin Ether ETFs. Securities Exchange NYSE Arca has expressed interest in listing a Grayscale Crypto Index ETF holding a diverse basket of spot crypto but has yet to receive approval. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission gave the green light to Hashdex and Franklin Templeton's respective Bitcoin and Ether Index exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. In a December 19th notice, the SEC approved Hashdex's NASDAQ Crypto Index US ETF, which will trade on the NASDAQ stock market. The regulator also approved the Franklin Crypto Index ETF, which is destined for the CBOE BZX exchange. Both indexes will hold spot Bitcoin and spot Ether. The Franklin Crypto Index ETF tracks the Institutional Digital Asset Index, a benchmark designed to represent the performance of digital assets such as Bitcoin and Ether. Hashdex's Crypto Index ETF will track Bitcoin and Ether, which are included in the NASDAQ Crypto US Settlement Price Index. The SEC said Franklin Templeton's updated December 18th filing was approved on an accelerated basis. Both approvals were based on the amended filings, the trust structures, and the operation terms from both firms being substantially similar to spot Bitcoin ETP and spot Ether ETP proposals already approved under previous SEC orders. The Commission also said the proposals met the criteria of the Exchange Act, which requires issuers to have rules in place to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and protect investors and the public interest, among other requirements. Nate Garachi, president of the ETF Store, an investment advisor specializing in ETFs, speculated in a December 19th post to X that the SEC's approval may inspire other firms to copy the move. Will be interesting to see if BlackRock or others attempt to piggyback on this and launch similar ETFs, he said. Regardless, I expect there will be meaningful demand for these products. Advisors love diversification, especially in an emerging asset class such as crypto, Garachi added. In August, Franklin Templeton applied to the SEC for approval of its Crypto Index ETF, but the regulatory agency delayed the decision on November 20th. Asset manager Hashdex submitted its second amended application for an ETF on November 25th. It filed its first amended S1 in October after the SEC asked for more time to decide whether to authorize the proposal. Franklin Templeton and Hashdex were not the only firms looking to launch a crypto index ETF in the United States this year. On November 26th, the securities exchange NYSE Arca requested to list a Bitwise ETF holding Bitcoin and Ether. In October, NYSE Arca also expressed interest in listing a Grayscale Crypto Index ETF holding a diverse basket of spot crypto. In November, U.S. regulators indicated they were considering the listing for approval. Our next top headline, crypto chatter about buying the dip hits 8-month high, says Santiment. The ratio of mentions on social media of buying the dip ramped up as Bitcoin dropped below the six-figure price level, according to Santiment. The proportion of social posts about buying the crypto dip has surged to its highest level since April as Bitcoin fell below the psychological $100,000 price level, according to recent data. With Bitcoin falling as low as $95,500 today, the ratio of crypto discussions that are about buying crypto's dip has reached its highest level in over 8 months, crypto analyst firm Santiment said in a December 19th X post. Highest social dominance score in 8 months. The social dominance score, mentions of buying the dip across social media platforms, hit 0.061 on December 19th as Bitcoin had remained below $100,000 for about 12 hours at the time of publication. It was the highest social dominance score since April 12th, when Bitcoin's price dropped below the $70,000 mark to just above $67,000 before falling to about $63,000 the following day. It almost retested this score on August 4th, when Bitcoin dropped below $60,000 and slid toward $53,000 within the following 24 hours. Bitcoin has been hovering around $100,000 over the past 7 days, with significant liquidations each time it dipped under that level. At the time of publication, it was trading at $97,258. Search interest for crypto remains high. Meanwhile, data shows that search interest for the term crypto remains high but has dropped since the start of December. According to Google Trends data from the past 12 months, global searches for crypto or at a score of 75 over the past 7 days, down 25 points from a score of 100 at the beginning of December. Meanwhile, global searches for buy the dip over the past 7 days have reached a score of 38, the highest level since August 10th. Capriole Fund founder and analyst Charles Edwards said in a December 19th X post that market participants should brace for volatility in both directions, as it won't take much to move the markets either way. Edwards said the odds are decent that the market could become so bearish in the short term that it flips, triggering a potential short squeeze. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.